Hello and welcome to the video walk around with the 2013 Volvo V70 D2 in metallic blue finish with a 17-inch Volvo alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels are in good condition. The vehicle has got also roof rails and rear parking sensors. The bodywork is in very good condition. It's got electric tailgate as well. Just gonna grab the keys quickly. It's got also split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. Very good size of the boot and a 12-volt power outlet in the boot as well. There are these split folding rear seats. And the front view of the vehicle has got front forks. Contrasting full leather interior with 5 headrests. ISOFIX for child seat preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department. Very good size of a leg room. For your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. And the rear airbags as well. Speakers on the rear doors and a child lock. So here we have the electric windows, and I believe it's got folding mirrors as well. Yeah, so electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got memory driver seat. Push button to start. A multifunctional steering wheel. The cruise control on the left hand side. It's got automatic transmission. There is a button. You press the brake. Then in the middle it's got some cup holders, some storage department and a 12-volt power outlet. A center armrest with some storage department. The USB slot and auxiliary are in there. Both seats are with a lumbar support. It's got heated seats, auto start and stop function, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, AM/FM radio and a CD player. If you go to the media, so it's got the CD player, USB slot which I showed you, iPod connectivity, Bluetooth audio which allows you to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables, and the auxiliary. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. If you go to the mica, I can show you it's got DSTC traction control, city safety, and the reduced quad. Then it's got rear view dimming mirror as well. This was the video walk around of the 2013 Volvo V70. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.